welcome to my daily report market analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec on Tuesday, the 26th of May. Positive risk appetite pretty much across the board. There's been a really positive response to the latest of the vaccination news. The company Novavax is suggesting that it's having some decent results on vaccination for COVID-19. So markets have gone risk positive on the back of that. They're going to do more testing, but in the meantime, markets looking strong. So subsequently, safe haven plays under pressure. You've got gold, which is sliding away, 1720 now. I'll talk about the technical implications of that in a little bit. US futures back above 3,000, which is a very strong move. And generally speaking, across the dollar pairs, you've got the dollar, which is under pressure. Look at that dollar index falling away. It's come through. Actually, even the yen is coming to strength against the dollar now. So, yeah, pretty much across the board. Dollar negative, risk positive, and looking strong for equities. So the moves are looking decent. Look at those equity markets, futures, for the States breaking out. So, well set up for the day. Now, in terms of what we've got to look forward to, well, we've got consumer confidence for the States, and we've got new home sales and the Case-Shiller home price index. So house prices are expected to just drop back on growth to 3.3% in March. That's March, by the way. We're up on May for a lot of the other data, so that is pretty backward looking, isn't it? But for consumer confidence, May consumer confidence 88.0, so a tick higher on that consumer confidence read through. Now that will be an improvement, obviously, on what we've seen in the last couple of months. So is that, again, another argument as to whether that data in May is bottoming? We've also got the new home sales expected to fall sharply, 490,000 in April. And again, that's not great numbers there for April. But again, that's an April data point. May is more the focus at the moment. So we've got that. Let me just show you where they were last month, 627. So 495 would be sort of back to 2015 levels on those new home sales. So we've got a couple of Fed speakers of Neil Kashkari. He's a dove, massive dove. So he's speaking at 6 o'clock tonight. And also watch out for Andy Haldane, what the comments he's got to make, because a lot of MPC members have been talking about negative interest rates recently. So will Haldane start to think about that sort of line of attack as well? So that takes me on to my chart of the day, which is the sterling versus the Aussie. Sterling has been under pressure, falling away quite strongly, certainly against the dollar. But look at the Aussie. Aussie has been strong recently, and against sterling, that has meant that it's pulling sterling Aussie sharply lower. Even today, sterling is up strongly against the dollar, about 1%, but sterling Aussie is down. So you can see the fact that downtrend is building. We're breaching support after support on this chart. 85.45 is the next level to be really tested last week. Just survived, but it looks like it's positioning again for a test, and a breach of that opens 80.95 area as the next basis of support. You can see the fact that rallies tend to fall over pretty quickly. Couple of days, maybe 3 days of rallies in these two moves higher before the market just falls over. Another rebound that we saw last week, intra-week, fell over fairly quickly. And look at this, the negative configuration on momentum. So it's not looking especially happy for sterling still against the Aussie. Aussie is one of the standout performers on the Forex majors now. So I think that is continuing to pull the sterling Aussie rate lower. Key support initially you'd argue 85.25, but again, once that's breached, you're looking well to the downside, and it's looking like it's going to be the case. So you wouldn't be, you got resistance of last Friday's reaction at 87.15 area, little rebound higher. The downtrend comes in at 87.60 area, but there's you'd be looking to sell any intraday rallies, I think, on sterling Aussie. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos. Go to our website to sign up for our webinars. And also you can watch our Trader Talks videos to gain some top trading ideas.